Samsung added unexpected twist. A sleek new edition called the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. The Galaxy S25 Edge is an ultra-thin design with just 6.4 mm thickness. It will come with all the premium specifications and features in a compact body design and size, making it a super flagship handset like its other models. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The Galaxy S25 Edge will be an OLED touchscreen display with sharp resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a smooth refresh rate of 120 Hz. Powering all these is the well-known and powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with the addition of 4.82 GHz octa-core CPU. It is fitted with a large battery that keeps it active up to entire day. That's all for now and thanks for watching.